Have you ever sat in front of a mountain of footage feeling completely overwhelmed? I've been there. I remember one project, it was a nonprofit video where the goal was to inspire donations. Well, the footage was scattered, interviews, testimonies, B-roll, it all felt disconnected. But then I turned to story mapping and everything clicked. The chaos transformed into a clear, compelling story that moved viewers to action. That's the power of organization. It doesn't just make your job easier, it unlocks the heart of the story. Today, I'll show you how to use story mapping, a simple yet powerful technique that will give your videos focus, direction, and purpose. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this method works for everyone, helping you create videos that connect and inspire. Before we dive in, let me share a resource that can take your storytelling to the next level. My free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop is packed with strategies to help you organize and elevate your stories. And if you're serious about mastering this craft, my Start with Story, End with Wow Master course is designed to guide you step by step. Links are in the description below, so please don't miss out. Okay, let me expand on that nonprofit project. Once I mapped the story into 3 clear sections with a beginning, middle, and end, the footage transformed. Key emotional moments fell into place, and what felt like chaos turned into a compelling narrative that inspired donations. So, why does organization matter? Without a plan, you waste time shooting footage you don't need. Editing becomes overwhelming because you don't know what to prioritize. Worst of all, your story feels scattered and your audience tunes out. When your story is organized, it's not just easier to create, it's easier for your audience to follow, connect with, and remember. Story mapping solves these problems by giving you a clear roadmap. It's like laying out the puzzle pieces before you start putting them all together. Story mapping is a little different than storyboarding. Storyboards use sketches made by storyboard artists to block out the action. Story mapping with sticky notes on graph paper provides a roadmap for the entire project. Let's break it down. Story mapping is simple but incredibly effective. Number 1, start with your core idea. Write your main idea in 1 sentence. What's the purpose of your video? Maybe it's to inspire, educate, or drive action. For example, show how this nonprofit is transforming lives through community outreach. Number 2, divide your story into 3 sections. Every great story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Number 3, identify emotional moments. Think about the emotional beats you want to hit. Is there a heartfelt soundbite or a visual moment that sparks joy and empathy? Place these moments where they'll have the most impact. So here are some practical examples. Wedding videographers. Your core idea might be capture the love and joy of the couple's big day. The beginning starts with the bride's father seeing her in her dress for the first time. The middle could be building with highlights from the ceremony and reception. The end, close with a heartfelt toast or the couple's final dance. Documentary filmmakers, your idea might be show the resilience of a community rebuilt after disaster. The beginning introduces the challenge with raw visuals of the aftermath. The middle highlights moments of hope and determination as they rebuild. The end focuses on a symbolic moment of triumph, like a ribbon cutting. If you're a business creator, your concept might be showcase a product's transformation for a customer. The beginning shows the problem the product solves. The middle, highlight the process of using it. The end, feature the success story and customer satisfaction. Let me drop in a quick commercial. If you're finding this helpful and you're ready to take your storytelling to the next level, watch my free Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos workshop. It's packed with tools and strategies to help you map your stories and elevate your videos. And if you're serious about creating wow-worthy videos, check out my master course, Start with Story, End with Wow. Links are in the description below. Okay, let's keep going. Now let's talk about how story mapping solves common problems. Story mapping works because it solves real-world problems creators face every day. For beginners, it provides focus, helping you avoid feeling overwhelmed by too many ideas. For intermediate creators, it sharpens your storytelling, ensuring every element serves a purpose. For professionals, it streamlines your workflow, saving time during production and editing. When you have a map, you don't waste time shooting unnecessary footage or second-guessing your edits. Instead, you can focus on crafting a story that resonates. Story mapping isn't just about making your job easier, it's about creating content that connects. When you know your story's purpose, you can shape every element to serve it. For example, parents watching a nonprofit video. Focus on emotional moments that highlight the impact on families. Business clients. Showcase transformations that build trust and credibility. Your audience craves clarity. When your story is focused and intentional, they'll feel it and they'll stay engaged. Okay, are you ready for my takeaway? Turning chaos into clarity isn't just about organizing your ideas. It's about unlocking the potential of your story. When you take the time to map out your core idea, structure your narrative, and identify emotional moments, you're not just making your job easier, you're creating content that resonates, inspires, and drives action. Your audience deserves clarity, and your story deserves to be told with purpose. Story mapping is the bridge between your creativity and your audience's connection. So take the first step, plan with intention, and watch your storytelling transform. Thanks for watching.